Do you know the reason behind the bluish skin color of Lord Vishnu? And why Lord Vishnu and Lord Krishna have the same body color? What is the actual reason behind it? And what makes him special? Be with me. I will tell you all the reason.
Hello, welcome to our channel Devotional Emotion. Hope you all are well.
Lord Vishnu is seen as the divine arbitrator. He protects justice and moral order by mediating disagreements, whether they involve humans or God. He is an archetype you might call on when seeking patience. You might identify with his gentle, merciful nature. One-third of the Trinity of gods, who represent the three phases of cosmic existence. Vishnu sustains the universe and upholds its many laws. Vishnu is typically depicted with sky blue skin. He also has 4 arms, a pair at the front of his body, representing his physical presence in the material world, and 2 at the back symbolizing his existence in the spiritual realm. In each hand he holds an object, a lotus that represents purity and beauty, a conch shell that stands for the sacred Om sound, mace for strength and the destruction of evil, and a chakra that symbolizes the mind, intelligence, and the end of self-delusion. Images and statues of Vishnu often show him in a vast ocean, resting atop a 100-headed cobra called Sheshnag, which represents the many desires of the mind. Vishnu sits over them, showing that he has control over these desires rather than being dominated by them. According to Hindu belief, Vishnu has incarnated on the earth at least 9 times to destroy the evil, the demon, and restore justice in the world, part of his Dash Avatar. Each time he comes as a different manifestation or avatar and serves a different purpose. Lord Krishna is also revered as God in the Hindu faith. However, Krishna is seen as more playful, enduring, and accessible than Lord Rama, who is known for the fact that he personifies perfection. There are many tales about Krishna's pranks and love escapades with the cow maidens. At the very young age, Krishna slays a number of powerful demons, including Kansa, the king of snakes. According to tradition, Krishna is the only incarnation of Vishnu who was aware of his divine powers from infancy. For this reason, Krishna is commonly equated with Vishnu rather than being considered only an incarnation. And the skin color of Krishna is blue, as same as Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu sustains and preserves the universe and is omnipresent. Symbolism says that the color blue attributed to Lord Vishnu is to emphasize and represent that he is infinite like sky and ocean. Sanatan Dharma places a huge emphasis on teaching through representations of anything and everything that concerns them. Vishnu is as an infinite force. He has no form, no name, and thus he is incommensurable. The blue color is a representation of this. The blue color also represents Vishnu's cosmic dimensions and his connections with the Vedic gods of rain and thunder and his relationship with the earth. As per Swami Vivekananda, the God of infinite love and the object of love sublime and infinite are painted blue. It is natural law that anything sublime and infinite is associated with blue color. Take a handful water, it is absolutely colorless. But look at the deep white ocean, it is as blue as anything. Examine the space near you, it is colorless. But look at the infinite of the sky, it is blue. Besides, Vaikuntha is the eternal home of Supreme Lord Vishnu. The glimpse of Vaikuntha is described in Bhagavad Puran. The inhabitants of the Vaikuntha planets are described as having a glowing blue sky complexion, and all this combined together appear just like the sky decorated with the both clouds and lightning. Friends, did you find the video helpful? If yes, please like and share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.